to show you what a difference great data combined with fantastic people can make. And I do want to re-emphasize that point, that as much as we love our data, we love our people more. And one of the things I really like about IDP is they also have this hybrid approach.
We work very closely with IDP on some review of our activity, presence, market aware, brand awareness, and product portfolio in the Indian context. So IDP, has access to the big data that we need access to.
I've worked with IDP Connect as a core member for quite a while, and we chose markets, the markets of India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and United Arab Emirates to do a really kind of very, very deep dive into what those markets are doing and how we can get more traction in those markets. What we were trying to achieve there, what answers we were trying to achieve with the support of the VC, we wanted to commission IDP Connect as a consultancy to look at specialist data consulting. We really wanted to tap into their desk research, the primary research that they were able to do using the unique student demand data that they have, application data, the international network, the counsellors, and that's really important to what we've been able to achieve with this piece of work. And we really wanted to then present back a detailed project plan to our executive board to let them know what we were doing.